22.5 kit. This is used when the deck has a 45-degree angle on the deck surface. The post is placed on the deck surface so that the post bisects the 45-degree angle in each rail section, attaches to each side of the post at 22.5 degrees. A helpful tool to purchase is our rail clip jig touch-up paint kit. With the rail clip jig kit, end, center, and corner posts are accurately assembled without the use of a tape measure. Simply place the jig on the base plate with the arrow down. Place one of the 4 aluminum clips, which came with the 22.5 degree kit, into the square hole of the jig. Holding clip firmly, secure the clip with 2 self-tapping screws. With clips secured to post, remove plastic jig and repeat this step to build all necessary end, center, and corner posts. When all posts are prepared, secure post to deck or concrete surface. Use the following anchors. After all posts are secured and plumbed, measure between posts at top and bottom locations. Measure and cut the aluminum railing panel so that you have even spacing between the post and the end of each picket. Cut the aluminum panel 1/16 inch short of the post distance. This will minimize scratches when installing the panel between the posts. Set the bottom channel of the aluminum railing panel over the lower clip. Once panel is firmly seated onto the lower clip, place a rail clip into the upper channel. Very important that clips are bottomed out inside the aluminum railing channel. Once upper clip is installed into the channel, with the supplied self-tapping screws, secure the clips to the post and then secure the channel to the clips. Return to the lower channel and secure the channel to the clips. Once aluminum railing panels are secured to all posts, it's time to measure and cut the top and bottom snap caps. Measure between each post, both top and bottom locations. Cut the top and bottom snaps 1/16 inch short of the type measurements. It is very important to cut the top and bottom snap covers with a sharp, high tooth count non-ferrous saw blade. This will give a clean, professional look and not harm the powder coat finish. After top and bottom snaps are cut to size, use the touch-up paint to coat the raw cut ends. Once paint has dried, place bottom snap covers over the appropriate aluminum railing channels and press in place. Once bottom snap channels are secure, find the support leg which came with each panel kit. With the colored screw in hand, center the support leg under each bottom snap and firmly secure with a self-tapping screw. The snap cover should snap firmly onto the aluminum railing channels. Do not use any hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. If you are having issues snapping on the covers, check the clips to ensure that they are bottomed out into the aluminum railing channels. Next, install the 2-piece base plate cover around the structural aluminum post base plate. And finally, install the post cap.